Hi, Tita Feli. Happy 85th birthday. I'm sorry to miss this birthday. Pero ito, I just wanna greet you from afar. Alam mo, Tita, lagi kang andyan sa lahat ng okasyon. Mapa-birthday, nung kinasal ako, kahit na biglang salo-salo. Pero ang pinaka hindi ko makakalimutan, Tita, ay nung nawala si Mommy. Hindi mo kami iniwan. Nakipaglamay ka, gabi, araw at gabi. Binantayan mo ako, binantayan mo siya. Hanggang sa huli, pinapagalitan ka na ng mga anak mo eh. Ramdam ko ang pagmamahal mo, Tita. Ikaw ang isa sa pinakamalaking biyaya sa buhay namin. We celebrate you today. I love you, Tita. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Feli. Sana more blessings to come and good health, of course. Thank you sa support at mga advices mo. Very grateful ako sa'yo. Kung magbabago.
I love the way you work. And I remember I was the one who got you your first job in Manila Polo Club. And I like you very much. That's why your husband came from Manila Polo Club.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. You want to greet her a happy birthday? It's her birthday.
Okay. Happy birthday to you and your continuous work and family life. Kasi wala ka ng asawa. I love you.
Oh, happy birthday in advance.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lola Feli.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Diche. And may you have more blessed years to come. Padala nyo kami ng handa. Okay? Bye!
Ano, kumusta, Balay? Happy birthday. God bless you all the year.
Hi, Mommy. Happy birthday. Many more birthdays to come. At sana po makabalik kayo dito para makapamasyal ulit tayo dito sa San Diego. Pero ingat po kayo lagi and hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hello, me. Happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng ginawa niyo para sa amin na magkakapatid sa pamilya natin. Maraming salamat po. Happy birthday. Maligayang party. More birthdays to come. Bye.
Hey, Grandma Feli, happy birthday. It's been a while since I've seen you, so hopefully I see you soon, but I hope you're doing good. And I hope I see you soon, whether it's in the Philippines or in the US. You also have to come out to DC. I have a nice apartment and nice life here, so hopefully I see you soon. Again, happy birthday, and I hope you're doing good.
Happy birthday, Grandma.